Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This one is the double cab, finished in red hot over jet black. Of course, red hot is the reason why I reviewed this one. Very, very rare to get a bright colored truck in inventory unless it's a customer order, which if the customer orders it, it's already sold. So, pretty cool to see one of these. Total price here, $46,365, fitted with the 5.3 Ecotec V8. Double cab, a little bit smaller back seat, but honestly it's not bad at all. Later on in 2021, we're going to be getting the multi-pro tailgate on some of the Silverados. This one just has the normal one for right now. But of course, if you really wanted to, you could change them out. I'm sure we'll be offering packages to do that. Nice beefy off-road tires. I do love the red hot color. There's Cajun red tint coat, which is a darker red. This one I don't think is a metallic. I think this one is just normal paint. Yeah, no metallic flake on this one. But it's still a really, really pretty color. And it makes it very, very distinctive. 5.3 is mated with the 8-speed automatic. Huge fan of the transmission. I do believe it's a derivative of the 10-speed. There we go. Boy. There we go. Yeah, that really looks good. That's a very, very pretty truck. Once you're inside, very, very similar to every other Silverado. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera. A couple different drive modes, normal, sport, off-road, and then tow haul. I leave them all in sport. They're all changed here. Sport, it's going to stiffen your steering and increase throttle response, as well as change the transmission tuning to hold gears a little bit longer and to be a little bit more eager to downshift. There we go. Starting to get used to this hill now. I've created a different test drive route that keeps the vehicles on property just in case anything were to happen again. I'm right here. So, and it also allows me to film a lot more cars in a day. While also giving a little bit more of a variety too. Before, I never really did any low-speed driving. And if you think about it, a lot of the times you're going to be in parking lots, and that's when weaknesses of cars, like blind spots, stuff like that, can really show up. And you're left being like, well, hopefully I don't have to park it. So this is a good route to kind of see everything. And up here I have a straightaway where I can still test acceleration, so it's perfect. very eager to kick down and downshift and give you the power that you're desiring, needing, wanting. All words I could have used instead of desiring, but yeah. Over the bumps, very, very smooth suspension. When you come from a 2500 to a 1500, that's one of the biggest differences you'll see, is just how much smoother the 1500 is. Of course, capabilities are just a little bit diminished compared to the 2500. You have a little bit less towing, stuff like that. But if you're not going to be using the 2500 to its full potential more than 75% of the time, you really should get a 1500 instead, especially if you're going to be driving it. It's just a little bit more relaxed, a little bit easier to drive, visibility's a little bit better. It's very, very quiet in here too. Now this is an LT, so this is like 25% up the order sheet. You still have RST, you have High Country, LTZ. So yeah, this is about 25%. So this is on middle to low range of the trim packages. I don't know who owns that green car. That thing is beautiful. Man, it's almost like I wish I could own that. It's a very, very pretty color on that Blazer. That's beautiful. So once you put it in low, you can manually downshift, select gears. It acts more as a gear limiter. It's not going to lock it into second gear. It just won't shift past second gear. Climb the hill. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.